Okay, so let's do this example here. So in this example, I'm giving you two similar triangles. Okay, so we're given the fact that these are two similar triangles. Okay, now I'm going to change these so that you know where the points are that correspond to each other. Okay. So I'm going to make these A prime, C prime, and B prime that go with A, C, and B. Okay, so now, these are similar triangles. I'm telling you that that's what we're starting with. Okay, we know that these are similar triangles. So the point of this example is to show you that you're not going to get triangles all the time that are exactly in the same configuration, if you will. Okay, notice that this one is lying like this and this one is tipped over. Okay, so you've got to be able to use mental gymnastics to realize if I give you other information to see that you have to match up the corresponding angles and the corresponding sides first. Okay, so to either determine that it's similar or not, or if you're given similar triangles, you need to make sure that you match up the correct sides. Okay, so if these are similar triangles and I know that AC, right, so I know that this corresponds to this A prime, C prime. CB corresponds to B prime, C prime, B prime. And BA corresponds to B prime, A prime. Okay, so if I put in these angles here, let's put this as, well, I'll just leave it the way there. I'll just say angle C. So angle C corresponds to angle C prime, angle B with B prime, and angle A with A prime. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay, so now that we know how to match these up, then we know that what? CB is proportional to C prime, B prime. Right? Because they're similar. Okay, that's a given. And then AB is proportional to A prime, B prime. And then finally, the last pair which is AC. AC is proportional to A prime, C prime. Now, the other thing we know is that all of these proportions must be equal. This proportion must be equal to this proportion, which must be equal to this proportion. Okay? The proportions must be constant. Okay? So this relationship must hold for all similar triangles. Okay, I'll see you next time and we'll do another example.